We get people that one spouse, one of the partners is getting a little dementia, getting a little Alzheimer's, not remembering things quite as well. And the unfortunate thing is to make them a snap-in denture or a conventional denture. And it gets put down, it gets wrapped in a napkin, it gets misplaced, and then it's poof, it's gone. And so especially in some of these residential living facilities, people they don't intend to do it, but they take someone else's denture, snap in or not, and then they're without, and then we have to make another one. So if there are memory issues at all in one of the spouses, we recommend doing permanent. We go permanent. It has nothing to do with the age of a patient. It's overall health. It's, are you healthy enough? Can you walk around the block? Then that's whether you can be sedated or not. But if there's no bone disease and there's no severe osteoporosis, no bad uncontrolled diabetes, you're healthy enough for the surgery. And it's just getting you something that you don't have to worry about. It's going to be put down somewhere, get misplaced, and then you're buying another one. So permanent is the way to go if there's any memory issues we're dealing with.